Every year, dozens of satellites go dark. Batteries fail, control is lost, missions end, and the spacecraft are declared dead, left to drift silently in orbit. Space agencies stop listening. The story, everyone assumes, is over. Except sometimes it isn't. In 1965, the U.S. Air Force and MIT's Lincoln Laboratory launched LES-1, an experimental communications satellite. It operated for a short time, then went permanently silent, or so everyone believed, for 46 years. In 2013, an amateur radio astronomer named Phil Williams picked up a strange rhythmic signal pulsing every 4 seconds on LES-1's old frequency. The dead satellite was transmitting again. It isn't alone. AMSAT-OSCAR 7, an amateur radio satellite launched in 1974, went offline in 1981 when its battery died. 21 years later, in 2002, it suddenly came back online. NASA's Relay 2 satellite, dead since 1967, sent a brief but powerful radio pulse to Earth in 2024, nearly 6 decades after its mission ended. Here's the unsettling part. These satellites were never designed to survive this long, let alone reactivate. Their batteries were expected to have fully disintegrated decades ago. Their onboard systems had no scheduled restart, no remaining commands, no reason to function at all. So what wakes a machine that's been dead for half a century? For LES-1, scientists noted the signal faded in and out in a strange, ghostly 4-second pattern as the satellite tumbled end over end through space, but they still don't know for certain why it started transmitting after nearly 5 decades of total silence. For Relay 2, researchers couldn't immediately rule out a signal originating from the spacecraft's own decayed electronics, even though every system aboard had been assumed inert for nearly 60 years. Each case resists a clean explanation. There's no scheduled command, no external signal ordering these satellites to wake up. Whatever is happening seems to originate from within the dead machines themselves. The leading explanation for cases like LS-1 involves what's called an electrical short. As solar panels continue absorbing sunlight for decades, even a fully degraded battery or corroded circuit can develop an unintended pathway, allowing power to flow directly from the solar cells to the transmitter, bypassing the dead battery entirely. In this scenario, sunlight itself becomes an accidental power source, restarting a fragment of the satellite's original function. For Relay 2, scientists have proposed a very different cause, a micrometeoroid impact. A tiny fragment of space debris striking the spacecraft at extreme velocity could release a burst of plasma, generating an electrostatic discharge that mimics a radio transmission, meaning the satellite might not have woken up at all, but instead been struck by something from outside. Neither theory has been definitively confirmed for every case, and different zombie satellites may have entirely different causes. What connects them all is a spacecraft's slow decay meeting an unpredictable trigger, sunlight, impact, or degrading circuitry, producing a signal from a machine everyone agreed was dead. Somewhere above us right now, dozens of decommissioned satellites drift in silent orbits, their missions long over, their power sources long exhausted. Most will stay quiet forever, but every so often, one of them defies the ending we wrote for it and speaks again, decades later from a place with no one left to answer.